Hi guys, Xiaomi 13 LITE. I will show you today how we change the battery of this device. My name is Roland from the Handyretter and let's go. Okay, here we go. I will show you the tools that I use for opening this device. I need alcohol, I need a screwdriver, tweezers and some opening tools, some plastic cards. And of course we need heat. So this is a heat mat. We have here a part that's just heating up for about around 80 to 90 degrees, a few minutes. And then I will start opening the back cover. Okay, so first of all, I will use the alcohol. I still have it on my heat plate and I will put some drops of alcohol around the frame. It will help us because it will make the adhesive tape weaker, so it lifts up more quickly. And especially where I try to enter the device on the corner, I will try to go in here. I will put a little bit more. Okay, so it's still hot and now we are going to put the metal one on the corner, on the edge. Let's see how we can. Okay, now remove the metal one because, to be honest, it's too dangerous to use for the whole device. But now I have the perfect entry and I can go all around. Always put some more alcohol on it. There we go. Now I will show you how you can remove the battery. First of all, disconnect the two connectors. Then you have here, lift this up. You have A and B. B you need to lift up as well, but then just put B behind. You can hold it like this, you see? And then you just need to grab A. And it comes out automatically. This is how you can take out the battery. Now you can use a new battery. And put it back in. Just like this. That's it. We repaired the Xiaomi 13 Lite. I hope you liked this video. You can write your questions in the comments. We will answer all of them. And you can help us as well very much if you subscribe our channel. We will upload more and more videos in the future with the new devices coming up. So if you don't want to miss any of them, follow us. See you soon.